this is gonna be fun. Going on, everybody? SRT8 Boost here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new to the channel, welcome too. And if you're back, I guess I'm doing something right. Hope you guys are getting lots of enjoyment out of all these videos. I know I sure as hell am. As I said in the past, I just drive and slap a camera on me. I mean, you know, can't get harder than that. Like, well, harder, easier. Never mind. Speaking of which, I mean, I probably should have went to get gas, but great time to start a video. All right, let's. I'll be back. Yeah, nothing like making you guys watch me sit at a light. My God, that's fun. That's funny, I used to have my Ram had that too. The bed extender thing. Oh, it seems like I've attracted a Mustang. Well, Miss Driving Miss Daisy could get the hell out of the way. Mind you, there's also a split coming here, so that could be all right. Yeah, right. Okay, cool. Everybody jumps over to this lane. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Let's all jump over to this lane. Oh, where are you going, Mr. Mustang? Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, this is gonna be fun. See, right now he feels good because he thinks he's ahead of me, right? But I'm pretty sure that's about to change real soon. Nice. Look like a Street Fighter. That's right. There you go. Get all ready. Well, that was fun. Unfortunately, my car acted up to hell, but still a riot. Good old Mr. Sputters. Then he gets stuck behind these two ass jackets. Yeah, guys, it's a 70. Let's drive 60. I have absolutely no life. And another red light. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Or we're back, whatever. Jesus. That light took literally 10 minutes. That was like 3 groups of traffic that went through. And like a football field of length. I don't know what the hell that was all Perfect. Let's not go the same way everybody else goes, because I hate doing that. Let's go. Coming down these roads where the trees kind of cascade over you a little bit. Best time to go is in the fall when all the color change happens. It's like really nice. In which I probably will, but I'm sure it'll be a 360 view. Okay, nobody's coming. Okay, I don't know if that's a cop parked right there, but I'm not gonna find out the hard way. No, it's a Honda. Never mind. Okay, back to driving normal. Well, my version of normal anyway. Nice boat. I'd love to have a boat. The problem is I mean, we have a family cottage, and don't go up there enough to use it, right? So it would probably sit around majority of the summer. Just like having a jet ski or, that sort of thing. At least like off-road vehicles, you can, keep them at your house and, I don't know, go whenever the hell you want, go wherever the hell you want too. I mean, you're not supposed to, but fuck it. CG's kicking in, there we go. Gotta be equal on both sides. The windows. Anybody else like that? Shit's gotta be, lined up square or with an edge of the table, or your windows have to be the exact same height open. I'm coming through. sped up and then slowed right down. And you know, my gut said, just pass the fucker. And of course I did. So here we are, driving 1 kilometer an hour over the speed limit. Oh, let's brake going down the hill. Okay, it's like way too slow, buddy. Okay, now this one I gotta watch. There's a little driveway right there, and there's a road right here. Which I've taken some videos here before. But the cops like to sit there and there, usually. So yeah, you don't want to get pulled over in a 50 doing, you know,